Hi, right now we're going to work with some linguine and clam sauce. So I'm going to take a pan, we're going to get it nice and hot. I'm going to go in with a little olive oil. This is a feast of 7 fishes. We try not to use dairy or meat. It's all about the seafood, it's all about freshness. And so working with about 5 fresh clams. You want to get them in there nice and hot. If you ever get a little flame like that, you can just calm it down with another lid. You always want to be safe. We're gonna throw in about 2 cloves of garlic. Get that nice and hot. A little more olive oil. You can never have too much olive oil. So again, you're gonna get those clams nice and hot so they start to open up. And then we're gonna add a little fresh wine. Now the clams are good and hot, the garlic has a little toast on it. Just add about a 1/4 cup of wine. And then we're going to add just a little bit of veggie stock. That's going to give your sauce a nice flavor. So, as your fresh clams are opening up, you want to add just a little salt and pepper. Remembering that your veggie stock has a little seasoning in it already. So, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon just to give it some freshness. And then we're going to add some of our pre-opened clams that we opened live earlier. And that's really going to make the sauce pungent out. Some fresh parsley. And then you'll let them get a nice cook on. So those fresh clams open up nice and good. So when you put a pot over the top, you're giving it a little steam, and that's going to help the clams go a little bit faster. So we're going to take about 16 ounces of fresh linguine and throw it right in our hot water. This is probably enough for 2 people. So now that the clams have opened up a little, I'm going to set the fresher clams aside. Those are going to be the garnish on top of your pasta. Working with our sauce here, just going to toss in a little more parsley, a tiny bit more white wine, and then we're going to add our pasta. We're going to get our bowl ready. Tossing that pasta in the sauce, so that's got all that rich flavor, all the parsley, the garlic, the salt, the pepper, the wine. You're just going to love it. This is something really easy to make at home as well. You're going right into your bowl, smothered in flavor. Then you're going to take your live clams. And you're just going to toss them around as a garnish. So not only are you getting the linguine clam sauce, they're getting steamed clams at the same time. Linguine clam sauce.